What's going on, guys? My name's Sean, and if you landed here, you're watching Scar My Guitar.
You took everything I had, you tore it all apart. But baby, don't you touch my scarred guitar. Don't you touch my scarred guitar.
Now look, I had a killer video planned for you guys today. I built this guitar right here, and I thought I videotaped everything, but I missed just about half of it. And I don't normally show the guitars like this before they're done, but since I screwed up on the video, here it is. Now I didn't miss the whole thing. I did get a little bit of it on video, but let me bring you up to speed, and then we can finish this guy up together and jam him out. That's gonna be enough lip flapping. Let's make it happen. Now for the neck. Look at this bird's eye maple. Yeah, that's pretty fat looking, ain't it? Man, I ain't never seen no bird's eye maple with that much bird's eye in it. Look at that. It's insane looking. But it ain't gonna get cut out. Talking about it. Let's do it. Man, this thing's looking pretty sick so far, ain't it? I really love how clean it looks. But for the top, ba-bang, we're gonna be using this piece of fliggity flame maple right here. But let's glue this together. I'm gonna put it on the CNC. I'm gonna hollow the back out like this, so when they go together, it's the same. Boy, that bird's eye's gonna clean up so pretty. Watch this. Good golly, look at that. Be coming off there in a minute. We'll be right at the gandering stage. We'll put it in the body and check it out. Let's look at it. Now the crickets may be chirping, but boy, look at that. Gandering stage. That thing looks insane, don't it? I'm in love with it. Alright, that's enough golfing. Let's get back to it. I'm getting ready to put some frets on this guy. But I had to see the tongue oil on it for you guys first. Because it needs to get the tongue oil on it before the frets and after the frets. But look at that flame maple. Boy, just pop that neck. Yeah, just got done leveling them frets. Look at it. A lot of scrubbing to do. Oh, Well, that stain dried perfect, didn't it? All right, let's get on this fretwork. Now, sometimes you just gotta take a break and take a look. Whew. Man, that's nice. All right, let's get back to it. Now, hang on just a dang minute. Now, see, this guitar's from my friend Dale. Dale's a preacher man. He's also super cool, and he told me I could do anything I wanted, just make him the best guitar I could, because he was going to show it to everybody in his congregation. He was going to tell my story. Now, my story's a long one, and we're not going to get into that in this video, but I got to thinking, man, I can do something better for the body. The neck's rocking, so let's get into that right now. Okay, now we're talking. That's what I'm talking about right there. That guy looks nice, huh? Lines up perfectly. It's just beautiful, man. All right, let's get it glued together. Man, that's a lot of clamps, ain't it? I didn't make you suffer through it, but man, look how clean it came. Lined up perfectly. Everything's just beautiful. I don't think I could ask for better lineupage and stuff. Can't wait to pull down these clamps. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. Man, oh man, look at this guitar. Holy cow, look at it. I sure am glad I came to my senses on that brain fart I was having. Because I'm going to tell you right now, this is way better. Way better. Yeah, we ain't brain farting now. Let's get this guy together. All right, here we are, and just look at this guy. Yes, sir. Now, I made some back plates out of the Purdue, the same thing that's in the inlays and the same thing that splits the body here. But as you can see, that's a real brittle wood. It just didn't work out. We'll make some out of bird's eye maple, but not in this video. We're going to jam this guy on out. Beautiful, huh? I love this thing, man. This might be the best guitar I've ever made, really. Look at that bird's eye maple. love this guitar. Dale, I really appreciate you having me build this for you. Now, if one of you guys wants one of these guitars, hit me up. I got enough room right now in my schedule to make one or two of these. Now, you know I really appreciate you watching, don't you? And if you get a second, share this video, man, so the algorithm will pick it up. And I know I'll see you around again, but until then, don't you touch my Scar guitar.
Don't you touch my Scar